Adding screenshots to your Excel spreadsheets becomes cumbersome when you have to capture them in a separate program. I'll show you how to work around this challenge. We'll use the built-in screenshot feature within Excel for beautiful spreadsheets. This feature is also available in Outlook, PowerPoint, and Word. Go ahead and click into the spreadsheet where you want to add the screenshot. So I'll click into cell B1 right here. Next, click on the Insert Menu tab, which is right here. Let's find the Illustrations group, which is right here. And within the Illustrations group, click on the Screenshot feature, which is right here. The Available Windows gallery pops up, allowing you to insert a screenshot of an entire window into your spreadsheet. To accomplish that, you'd click the thumbnail image, such as this one or this one. Now, for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and add a clipping. So let's use the screen clipping option, which is this one right here. Now the screen turns white and the pointer becomes a cross. Let's go ahead and move that cross over here. Press and hold the left mouse or pointer button and then drag to select the section of the screen you want to insert. Then release. Now let's go ahead and make some adjustments. First of all, it's way too big for the cell. So we'll go ahead and make a size change. We'll grab the corner here and then we'll resize it. And we'll keep moving it around to place it exactly where we want it. And you're done. I hope you've benefited from today's gift. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share it with family, friends, and colleagues. Bye for now. We'd like to thank our sponsor of this video, G.I.F.T 24K Perfume. The unforgettable golden fragrance reawakens your sense of endless love. Learn more about G.I.F.T 24K in the description down below. Use the discount code provided and a generous donation will be made to our foundation. G.I.F.T 24K Perfume with pure 24-karat gold flecks suspended in the bottle. The fragrance of passion and romance. G.I.F.T 24K.